inflammation and your immune system. Folks, the body, we are alive because of our immune system. If it wasn't for the little white blood cells going in the blood and kind of eating up all the virus and bacteria, we'd be dead in just several days. Okay, so the immune system is absolutely vital for prevention of cancer, for maintaining health, for gut health, for circulation, et cetera, et cetera.
Exactly.
What else? So all kinds of things. We've got Crohn's disease. We've got irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. You've got lupus. And people who suffer from lupus know the horrible discomfort of the flare-ups that occur, that horrible stiffness, and what they go through. Fibromyalgia seems to be almost epidemic in our society. Gluten, science has discovered. Now, I remember years ago when I was in med school, gluten was just this word. There was a certain protein in the wheat that could cause problems. Now it's become like, you know, you millennials, that's what they're talking about. Hey, let's stay away from gluten, right? Because gluten is bad for you. Cancer, obviously, you know, as many as, most of us men, as many as 4 to 5 men can experience some type of a cancer experience with the prostate. Again, the chemicals in the diet, the fact that we're a Western culture, that prostate is growing, all kinds of problems going there directly related to inflammation and chemicals in our diet. And then, of course, the big one. Overweight and obesity, right? That's the big one. That's huge. You know, we have a crisis. 7 out of 10 people in this country are overweight. I mean, that should not be, right? So, very complicated matter. We're going to simplify for you. We're going to give you all kinds of solutions.
Exactly. So, to summarize real quick, obviously inflammation is the enemy, guys. But does it make sense that the higher inflammation in your body, the faster you age? So, if you're able to slow the inflammation, you're able to slow the aging process, right? Makes sense? So that's what we do. We have a few tips for you. How can we slow the aging process? How can we reduce inflammation? First one's real simple. It's lose some weight. Cambridge University did a study that showed that overweight or obese individuals, their brains can be up to 10 years older than normal weight individuals. That's huge. There's inflammation. There's where dementia and Alzheimer's comes in. The other thing is diet. Simple as that. Just what are you putting in your body? You know, that is reducing inflammation as opposed to things that are increasing inflammation. High cholesterol is associated with heart disease and cancer. They're directly related to heart disease and cancer. In fact, the 2 leading causes of death for heart disease and cancer is high cholesterol due to an inactive lifestyle. So get your body moving. Go for a walk. Those are the things that would help you immediately and helps everyone. We're all the same there. So wouldn't it be nice if there was a simple way, kind of a pack, that would actually reduce inflammation in your body? Gee, wouldn't it be nice if we had maybe an integrative health pack that would do that, Dr. Max?
Absolutely. And why are you asking me about cholesterol? What do you think I am, a doctor? So, folks, so basically we do. We have a solution. You know, we have something called an Integrative Health Reboot Program. And on the website, we have a $50 coupon right now, which is really fantastic. Help you save some money there. But it's all designed to reduce that inflammation in the body. Reduction of inflammation leads to all kinds of benefits. You know, better blood flow, better gut health. You know, 70 to 80%, depending on the research that's out there, of our, you know, of our health, our immune system, the microbiome. Without getting too technical, but those bacteria in your gut are vital, and there are, you know, and all these what we're consuming nowadays is really irritating and destroying and affecting that bacteria, which is so important for our health. And this is what the Reboot Kit will do. It will reduce that inflammation and help to basically the body streamline. And a better immune system leads to a better life, more health, more fun, more trips to Disney with the grandkids, more trips to the beach, you know, a lot of great things.
So gut health, basically, folks, gut health equals good health. So remember, live life after 50. But visit us on drmaxandpep.com. Take advantage of the gift code that Dr. Max just mentioned. Do it today. Help another kid. Talk to you soon. Our next video, by the way, is going to be on
stress.
We're going to be talking about stress.
That's the big one. Don't get stressed out between now and then. It's going to be good.
Bye.